Right?
Yeah, Stephen Kim and his wife Yura were busy on a skiing trip up at Breckenridge on Peak 6 on Saturday when a young skier collided with Yura, sending her into a tree. Now, Stephen was skiing behind his wife and saw the entire incident. He says a young skier came flying down the hill, lost control, overturned, and hit his wife on her left side, pushing her into a tree. Yura became unconscious with several fractured bones and a severe concussion. Stephen tried to stay in contact with the young skier, who he estimated to be around 10 years old, but left to be by his wife's side. He said when he turned around, the boy and his parents were gone.
It's like if you're driving a car. To me, that's a hit and run. When you have an accident, you stop. You assist. Make sure everybody, all the parties involved, is really taken care of. You exchange information if you need to. That is the law.
That's right. He's right. It is a Skier Safety Act that requires skiers and snowboarders involved in any collision while on the slopes to stop, summon aid, and exchange information, which obviously did not happen. If you witnessed the accident or have any information on Saturday's event, this happened around 12:30, you're asked to call the Summit County Sheriff's Office. Kirk and Megan.
How many more of these stories do we need before we get something actually done? We do not need legislative action. We need to enforce the existing laws. Let's get on with it. Do we need children to be killed before we get with it? This is a dereliction of duty by enforcement.